The Occupational Safety Health Act, or OSHA, requirements state that all employees must have fire extinguisher training yearly. The Department of Transportation, or DOT, NFPA 58, and state and local authorities require all propane vehicles to carry at least one portable fire extinguisher with a minimum capacity of 18 pounds of dry chemical with a BC rating. DOT requires that extinguishers be inspected as part of your pre-trip. NFPA 10 and state and local codes require that fire extinguishers be inspected annually for serviceability and recharged and or repaired as necessary. NFPA 10 also requires a monthly visual inspection of all fire extinguishers. NFPA 58 section 6.29.4.2 states each industrial plant, bulk plant, and distributing point shall be provided with at least one approved portable fire extinguisher having a minimum capacity of 18 pounds of dry chemical with a BC rating. Portable fire extinguishers are classified according to the types of fire A, B, C, D, and K for which they are intended. The classification and numerical rating system are based on tests by Underwriters Laboratories Incorporated. These tests are designed to determine the extinguishing capability for each size and type of extinguisher. Class A, or ordinary combustibles, extinguishers are rated as a 1A through a 40A. The Class A rating of water extinguishers is based on the amount of extinguishing agent and the duration and range of the discharge used in extinguishing test fires. Class A fires are fires typically in ordinary combustibles such as wood, paper, cloth, trash, and plastics. Class B, or flammable liquids extinguishers, are classified with numerical ratings ranging from 1B through 640B. The rating is based on the approximate square foot area of a flammable liquid fire that a non-expert operator can extinguish. Class B fires are fires in flammable liquids such as gasoline, petroleum oil, and paint. Class B fires also include flammable gases such as propane and butane. Class B fires do not include fires involving cooking oils or grease. Class C electrical equipment extinguishers have no fire extinguishing capability test. The Class C rating confirms the extinguishing agent will not conduct electricity and has been tested for non-conductivity. Class C fires are fires involving energized electrical equipment such as motors, transformers, and appliances. Remove the power source and the Class C fire becomes just one of the other classes of fire. Class D extinguishers vary with the type of combustible metal being tested. When an extinguishing agent is determined to be safe and effective for use on a combustible metal, the details of the instructions are included on the faceplate. Class D fires are fires in combustible metals such as potassium, sodium, aluminum, and magnesium. Class K fires are fires in cooking oils and greases such as animal fats and vegetable fats. Extinguishers suitable for more than one class, and most are, of fire are identified by a combination of the letters A, B, and or C. The most common combinations are Class ABC, Class BC, and Class AB. Fire extinguishers must be inspected as required to ensure that they are accessible and operational. Verify that extinguishers are in their designated locations and that they have not been activated or tampered with, and that there is no obvious physical damage or condition present that prevents their normal operation. The following should be part of every fire extinguisher inspection. Check to ensure the extinguisher is in its proper location and that it is accessible. Inspect the discharge horn or nozzle for obstruction. Check for cracks, dirt, or grease accumulations. Inspect the fire extinguisher shell for any physical damage. Check the lock pins and tamper seals to ensure that the extinguisher has not been tampered with. Determine if the extinguisher is full of agent and fully pressurized by checking the pressure gauge. Check the inspection tag for the date of the previous inspection, maintenance, or recharging. During inspections, an old practice of removing the dry chemical extinguisher from its mounting brackets and inverting it and shaking it to keep the agent from caking should be used. The extinguisher should then be properly returned to its mounting brackets. If any of the above items are deficient, the extinguisher should be removed from service immediately and repaired in accordance with your company policy. Each employee should understand the importance of knowing all the recommended practices for selecting and maintaining your fire safety equipment. Knowing this before the emergency may reduce property damage or, more importantly, save someone from injury or death.